Hello class 9 children, so welcome to today's online class. Today I will be discussing the last question from the chapter Pythagoras theorem. So here I have a question, let us read it. Angle BAD and angle ADC are right angles. So here in the diagram you have to see that angle BAD and angle ADC. BAD, that means here this completely the whole portion of A is 90 degree and the other one is ADC, that means this is 90 degree. So this one and this one both are 90 degree. First one, okay. Next one, AX is parallel to BC. This AX is parallel to BC, that means this both are parallel. This both the lines are parallel. Next, if AB equal to BC equal to 5 centimeter, you can see AB and BC are 5 centimeter. AB is equal to BC, both are equal and both are 5 centimeter each. Okay. Now next, DC is 8 centimeter. Okay. DC, D to C, that means this everything is 8 centimeter. So what we can do, we can write here 8 centimeter. This everything is 8 centimeter. So you write this is 8 centimeter. Next, calculate the area of ABCX. ABCX, that means these portions you have to find area. So now children, this is a Pythagoras theorem, a chapter related to right angle triangle, but here I have to find the area of rhombus. Actually this is a rhombus. ABCX is a rhombus. So now why it is a matter of rhombus, I will tell you. The formula of rhombus is base into height. So base means take any one side. This is base of the rhombus AB. So base value is 5 into height. Height is not given here. You see, this is the height. AD is the height of the rhombus. It is located outside the rhombus, but it is the height of the rhombus. So the AD value is not given, and to find the value of AD I will take the help of this triangle, and this triangle is a right angled triangle. So indirectly it is related to Pythagoras theorem, because without height we cannot find area of rhombus, and to find the area of rhombus I have to use Pythagoras theorem. So let us begin this solution children. So my solution starts here. First of all, I will take this smaller triangle. So you will write in triangle ADX. I can say in this triangle AX. This is my hypotenuse actually. AX is my hypotenuse because this will work as a base. So this is base, this is 90 degree. So 90 degree straight line is called perpendicular, the lower portion is base, and this will be your hypotenuse. I can say this triangle is inverted. Base has gone to the top, inverted. So if you rotate it here, then it will be in the perfect shape, but it is in inverted shape. Okay. Your hypotenuse value is given. Actually, all the sides in a rhombus are equal. AB, BC, CX, AX, all the sides in the rhombus are equal. So I can say AX hypotenuse also will be 5 centimeter. Now your base will be DX. So you can write DX equal to base, and your base value will come this way. Actually this everything CD, your CD is or DC is 8 centimeter. So DC minus CX, DC minus CX will give you DX. To get DX, you take everything and subtract this, you will get DX. So your DC is 8 centimeter and CX is 5 centimeter because all the sides are equal. So when all the sides are equal, then CX also will be 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3 centimeter. So now I know the base, I know the hypotenuse, so I can find the perpendicular. My perpendicular formula is P equal to h square minus b square root over, and my perpendicular name here in this diagram is AD. So AD, my perpendicular is AD. AD equal to hypotenuse value, you can check here, 5. So write 5 whole square minus base is 3. Next, this will be your 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 I will be writing here is equal to root 16, and its value will be 4 centimeter. So I got my perpendicular, that is I got my height. So now I can write, therefore the area of ABCX, the area of ABCX, as it is a rhombus, its formula is base into height. Height also is called perpendicular. So I can write perpendicular as well. Base into perpendicular. As my base is AB, so I will write AB into perpendicular is AD. It is outside the rhombus, but it is a perpendicular. So it is AD. And base value, you know, it is 5. AB value is 5. 5 into, and AD value, just now I got AD, I got it as 4 here. So now 5 4 is 20. As all are in centimeter, so my area formula, my area answer will be centimeter square. So this is my answer. So by using Pythagoras theorem only I could get the answer of rhombus. So this is the way you have to do, children. I hope you understood. Thank you, children.